Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. And Pepe, Bitcoin came in at the right time to actually pump and probably spoil the party for this bear flag at the moment. But you're still trying to struggle a little bit, so it does look like the flag is getting kind of invalidated. So let's see what is happening here. But is the flag really invalidated? That's the question, though. I kind of have a little bit of a doubt if the flag is totally invalidated. So if I take this from there to there, it doesn't really look like you invalidate the flag, even though you pumped up. Yes, reality is probably no invalidation happened. There's a very small micro detail that I'm going to tell you, and that is when you move down here, you made that flag and you broke below, and that does look like a pump back up for the retest. So the flag is not really invalidated, even though you have actually come up here and it does look like you really invalidated it, but I highly doubt that you have invalidated. But I will be convinced if Pepe does make it up to 1095. So there's a little bit of a gap here. Just gonna remove this lower one right there. So if you make it up to 1095 and end up try to take 1095 above, then you're going to be making this double bottom here. Do you see that? Then this whole thing turns into a double bottom, and sometimes the chart just gets twisted and manipulated. So here you are, and you can actually, if you actually take 1095 out and hold above here, then you could be looking at Pepe trying to move above, and that's going to be a target from there to there, and it's going to be up to 1149. And we're talking about just a very small scalping opportunity that's going to be 6.77% move back up. So that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.